how to turn on autoplay for videos on Facebook on Android. Let's go. It takes just 15 seconds. Alright, open the Facebook app, tap the three horizontal lines that of menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then Settings. Now scroll a bit until you see Media section. Tap Media, then look for Autoplay. Here you have three options: on mobile data and Wi-Fi. This is full autoplay everywhere. The second one is on Wi-Fi only. It saves data. And another one is off. That means no autoplay at all. Just tap the on mobile data and Wi-Fi option and you are done. Facebook saves it instantly. No need to restart the app. That's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe this channel and do like and share with the ones who need to watch it. Thanks for watching.